Greetings, adventurers! Welcome to Miniature Legends, a place where even the smallest of figures can be legendary. Today, we find ourselves in the dangerous and grimdark realms of Warhammer 40,000 to construct a durable and thematic transport case for a group of rather elderly fellows. Last year, I built and painted a Hierotek Circle kill team, and after digging it out of storage, realized that my methodology for its transport was quite lacking. Join me as I rectify my mistake, and give Master Cryptek Ptolemact and his fellows a suitable tomb in which to rest between conflicts. I began with this acrylic case as a base for my diorama, creating a paper template to map out my design. Marking out where the models would be located. Next, a quick sand and prime to ensure proper binding. Here, I used XPS foam and milliput for the raised platform section. And some air-dry clay to add a ruined Necron script across the base. Also, I alchemically 3D printed some Necron terrain to enhance the environment with additional detail. Here, I got a selection of magnets and placed them where I'd planned on my paper template. Next, some watered-down PVA glue and sand to build a desert environment. Once that was dry, another layer of glue to seal it in. A few pieces of terracotta to enhance that ruined look. Finally, a prime and a zenithal highlight. And I'm ready to paint. First, I established my base colors. some black metal for the Necron technology, then a second coat to intensify the color. A black wash to seep into those recesses. Then a heavy dry brush to give that sandy, windswept look. First, the base color. Then a pale warm white to hit the highest points. Next, I mixed up some electric blue and glaze medium to fill in that Necron script. Painting up the terracotta with some orange for a nice contrast to the blue. Then dampening it down with a wash and dry brush. Finally, a scarab to enhance that Necron aesthetic. Add a few more and we're done. Safely back in my study. If you've liked what you've seen, have questions, or have any other comments, please leave a transcription down below. Thank you so much for visiting my study. I hope to see you again soon. Farewell, adventurer.